My name is Cyrus Barber, and my topic is solar cells. Why use solar cells? They are a cleaner alternative to using other methods because they don't emit greenhouse gases when producing electricity. They are also renewable. As long as we have a sun, we will have solar cells that can provide electricity. Another great thing about solar cells is that they have a low operating cost to use and maintain. Solar cells are also able to convert approximately 20 to 25% of solar energy into usable energy. History of solar cells. In 1839, the photovoltaic effect was first noticed by Edmund Becquerel while he was doing an experiment with wet cells. He noticed as they were exposed to sunlight, their voltage was increasing. The photovoltaic effect is the generation of voltage and current when exposed to sunlight. In 1887, Heinrich Hertz discovered the photoelectric effect. The photoelectric effect is the emission of electrons when electromagnetic radiation hits a material. In 1948, in Massachusetts, the first solar-powered house was built. In 2009, the cost of solar cells were approximately $8.50 per watt, and currently the price of solar cells have gone down to about $2.50 per watt. How do solar cells work? The solar cell shown is called a single junction cell because it contains only one p-n junction. The semiconductor material is characterized by a quantity called its band gap energy, which is the amount of energy needed to free an electron away from its host atom. The wavelength of the incident photon has to be such that the photon's energy exceeds the band gap of the material. Solar energy extends over a broad spectrum, so only a fraction of the solar spectrum is absorbed by a single junction material. To overcome this limitation, multiple p-n layers can be cascaded together to form a multi-junction photovoltaic device. The cells usually are arranged such that the top cell has the highest band gap energy, thereby capturing the high energy photons, followed by the cell with the next lower band gap, and so on. The law of conservation of energy says energy can only be changed from one form to another, not created or destroyed. This is the principle that solar cells operate on. Solar cells are a cleaner alternative to using other methods. They are renewable and they have a low operating cost to use and maintain, and they are also efficient. In the late 1800s, many discoveries were made that led to the making of solar cells as a method of harnessing solar energy. p-n junctions are used in order to transfer solar energy into usable electricity. And here are my sources. Thank you.